Hello guys, welcome back to our Python intermediate course tutorial. In the last lessons we learned about dictionaries and what we can do. One of the loops I don't tell you about is while loops. It's completely alike with for loops, but we go for it. Okay. With the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. Remember when we write something like this for x in range 100, for example, print x, but we say if x is equal to, for example, 10 break. You remember something like this we do, and that's the easy one. Okay, wait to connect. Now we can do it in another way. We can create a while loop. Let's wait a little time. Okay, we put it here and wait. Connecting. Okay, while it's connecting, let me see what I tell to you. Okay, let's do a while lesson. Okay, as you can see, it's do until x is equal to 10. But something that's wrong about it, if we put it, for example, till 1000, because x is in range 10, in range 1000, it never break. It's go and print. But we can do something that's really amazing. We can just change while true. As you can see, it's running forever. Why? While true is a kind of loop we create and it runs forever, and it when it stops, that we say to break. Okay, now let's create an x out of the loop equal to 0, and now here x equal to x plus 1. Now if we run it after 10 runs, it's break the while loop and the code end. While true is one of the trickiest and most hard loop you can use. I don't prefer using it because if you write something wrong in it and the loop is go infinity, your code is crashed, and sometimes your computer or your server could crash too. I definitely don't prefer using while true, but sometimes it's very nice to use and good for use. For example, like we should trying a game and we don't want an end to it. It's really good, but you must be very it's very important to use it wisely and don't make anything that crashes. We can use while as a for with a if. How? We say, for example, while z is something like this, and okay, z is equal print z. Okay, print for example z equal to 0. This while run until this statement is true. In the first 15 times of running, this statement is true, and then this statement is not true anymore. Okay, let me see if there's anything else. There is a continue statement that can stop the current iteration and continue with next. You can use it if you want. I don't use it much. And else, you can use else in while. As I said, while is a for and a if. You can say, for example, while n is equal to 0, for example. while I write it wrong, while n, let's search n, for example, 1 10 0, or okay, while is n is bigger than 0, for example, n is equal to n minus 1, and then print n and else print, for example, end. Let's run it. Okay, as you can see, when the while ended, it print the else. Let me see if anything else. Okay, let's do the exercise. Which statement correct syntax to break out the loop? Break, not end. Okay, next question. Print I as long I is less than 6 while, and okay, next answer. They are easy questions just about syntax. Stop the loop if we should just write break here. That's easy. For example, in the loop when I is 3, jump continue directly to the next iteration. Okay, we just say continue. Continue. I forget the. Let's sorry. Okay, here is continue. Copy it and paste it. Next question. Print a message once the condition is failed. It's else. Oh, else. I write the else in wrong way. Else. Okay. It's done. It's the end of this lesson. Until tomorrow. Bye.